Hi friends! Do you want to share your Sony Xperia Z smartphone's data connection with your PC? Let's go ahead and see how you can do so using a USB cable. Screen transitions shown here are a bit different from the real-time transitions on the device screen. On the home screen, tap on the apps icon to view all the installed apps. Tap on Settings. Tap on More under the Wireless and Network section. Tap on Tethering and Portable Hotspot. Tap to select the checkbox next to USB tethering and make sure that you have connected your mobile to your computer using the USB cable. To stop sharing your data connection, deselect the checkbox next to USB tethering or disconnect the USB cable. See? That wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching. To check out more related tech videos, click here. If you have any query or want to share something with us, click here. To get iYogi tech support, dial toll-free numbers. To stay empowered technically, subscribe to our channel.